Is ceramic tint better than regular tint? I get that question a lot, so let's dive into it. Now, window tint is a lot more than just how it looks. It's also about comfort, protection, and efficiency. But what makes ceramic tint stand out? Ceramic tint is a top-tier window film. Reason being is it blocks up to 99% of UV rays, won't have any signal interference, won't fade over time, and also reduces solar energy without affecting visibility. While on the other hand, regular tint is made from dyed or metallic materials that will also block heat and UV, but they might fade, change color over time, or interfere with cell signal. Now, when it comes to cost, regular tint is more budget-friendly, but ceramic tint is going to offer you the best performance, saving you money in the long run. Now, hands down, ceramic tint is the best option in my opinion, but what do you think? This is Dane from Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.